Welcome to this charming 4 by 6 meter house designed in a cozy country style. The exterior of the house radiates a warm and inviting feel with a combination of white walls and black window frames. The white walls are complemented by wooden accents in the front porch, such as wooden railing and timber frame entrance. As you step inside, you will be greeted by an open space that integrates the living, dining, and kitchen areas seamlessly. The interior follows the same white and wooden color scheme, creating a harmonious look. The walls are painted in a crisp white, while wooden flooring adds a touch of rustic charm. The living area features a comfortable sofa, wooden coffee tables, and wooden TV table. Adjacent to the living area is the kitchen, which includes a bar-style dining area. It's the perfect spot for enjoying family meals or entertaining guests. The compact yet functional kitchen features white cabinetry, black countertops, and essential appliances, making it an efficient workspace. Large windows fill the space with natural light, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. The bathroom, located across the kitchen, is adorned with white tiles and black-white vintage style. It features a shower, toilet, sink, and even a washing machine, providing all the necessary amenities in a compact space. Heading upstairs, you will discover 2 cozy bedrooms that maximize the limited space. Both bedrooms follow the white and wooden touch theme. Now, we are going to the child's bedroom. It has bunk beds, perfect for 2 kids with the storage drawers underneath and floating table for study area. Together with the child's bedroom, the master bedroom also has storage drawers under the bed, along with cabinet and dressing table with LED bulbs mirror. This 4x6-meter house beautifully combines country charm with efficient design. Its open living area, cozy bedrooms, and well-equipped bathroom make it an ideal home for those seeking a compact and comfortable living space in a white, black, and wooden country style.